My name is Conor Matera and I'm the head of ACCA at Learnsignal. It is important to us that you're successful in your exams, so here are 5 key study techniques to passing your Advanced Financial Management exam. Number 1, plan your study. Make sure you have a detailed study plan and stick to it. 2, study regular and often. 60 to 90 minutes a day for 5 days is much better than one long day. 3, practice questions. Build the knowledge and practice relevant questions as you go. 4, complete a mock exam. Don't let the first time you attempt the exam be the day of your exam. No 2 subjects are the same. 5, examiner reports and articles. Vital information and guaranteed marks are available if you take the advice on offer.